Who says you need to break the bank to create stunning professional video content? Spoiler alert, you don't. Just stick around and I will show you how to turn basic household items and affordable gears into a pro level setup that will have your viewers saying, wow, what camera did you use?
Like and subscribe.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something near and dear to my wallet. How to create professional video content on a budget. No fancy cameras, no expensive lights, just good old creativity and some clever hacks that will make your videos look like $1,000,000 without costing you anywhere near that. Let's dive in. Step 1. Planning your content. Don't wing it. Before we even touch the camera or start throwing deck lamp around for lighting, we need to plan. You know what they say? Fail to plan, plan to fail. Or in our case, fail to plan, end up with a cringe-worthy video that will make you question your life choices. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, right? Same goes for video content. So before we dive into the exciting stuff like cameras, lighting, and catments, here's the thing. Even if you have all the best gears, your videos is only as good as its content. So always plan what your topic is, who's your audience, and most importantly, how to keep them watching. Don't underestimate the power of well-timed cat meme.
Oh my god!
But seriously, make a simple outline, intro, outro, and main point. Now you have a plan, and your video already feels more professional. First, define your topic. What's the main event? Then define your audience. Who are you trying to impress? And most importantly, how will you keep them engaged? You see, humans have an attention span of about 8 seconds. 1 second less than a golden fish. So you've got to hook them fast. Now I know what you are thinking. What about cat video? Well, let's be real. Cats are the ultimate engagement hack.
Isn't that amazing?
But seriously, plan your content around these 3 simple steps. 1. Intro. You have to grab attention. 2. Main point. Here you deliver value. And 3. Outro. You leave a lasting impression. Step 2. Camera. Use what you have. We are talking cameras, but here's the thing. You don't need to break the bank or fancy DSLR cameras to make professional looking videos. I mean, sure, those cameras are great if you have a few $1,000s lying around. But here's the thing. You probably already have an amazing camera in your pocket. Your phone. Most smartphones shoot in HD or 4K. That's right. Your phone is capable of capturing stunning videos. No need for fancy DSLR camera. Unless you're filming the next Star Wars movie, your phone will do just fine. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a tripod, welcome to the DIY tripod life. Books, chairs, or that stack of boxes in the corner of your room, they all work. Just make sure your phone is stable and you're good to go. Here are some good tips to optimize your phone's camera. Use natural light. Invest in phone lenses, though this one is optional. Record in landscape mode. Keep your phone charged. No one likes a dead battery. Is this the most professional setup? Nope. Does it work? Absolutely. You don't need fancy gears to create amazing content. Just use what you've got. Get creative and have fun. Step 3. Lighting, the secret sauce. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy lighting gear. Mother Nature has got your back. If you have ever seen a video that looks like a horror film than a YouTube tutorial, it's probably because the lighting was all wrong. But here's the good news. You don't need to buy expensive lighting gear to make your video pop. 1. Harness the power of natural light. If it is daytime, film near a window. This will give you soft, flattering light that makes you look like a pro. The big fairy ball in the sky is your best and free light source. When you film near a window, your face will be beautifully lit, and your audience would thank you for not looking like a shadow from a true crime documentary. Here are some tips for natural light. Film near a north-facing window for soft indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can create harsh shadows. Filming at night, no problem. Grab some household lamps and get creative. Here's a little pro tip. If your light is too harsh, soften it with a sheet of paper or a thin t-shirt. Trust me, this diffusion trick will make your lighting look way more flattering. And if anyone asks, just tell them you've got a custom lighting rig. Step 4. Audio. Don't skim here. Here's the thing. People will forgive less than perfect video, but bad audio. That's where they hit the exit button. Luckily, you don't need to spend hundreds on a fancy microphone to get good audio. Get yourself a pair of earphones and use the mic controls. I know it sounds basic, but even these tiny mics will give you clearer, more focused sound than just using your phone's built-in microphone. Step 5. Editing magic on a budget. Editing. This is the part where the magic happens. But don't worry, you don't need expensive software to edit like a pro. There are plenty of free options out there. If you're using a PC or Mac, try DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express. They are both free, powerful, and perfect for anyone just starting out. If you are editing with your phone, apps like CapCut or InShot will do the job and makes you look like a video editing wizard. Keep your edit simple. No need for crazy transitions. Just focus on cutting out the awkward pauses. Trust me, there will be plenty of it. Adding a bit of music or maybe throwing in a funny memes or two if you're feeling fancy. Step 6. Be yourself, but also be entertaining. Talking about the most important ingredient in making great video content. You. Think about it. Your unique personality, sense of humor, and perspective are what sets you apart. That's what your audience want to see. Here's the deal. You don't need the best gear in the world to make a great video. What matters most is you, your personality, your sense of humor, your perspective. That's what people are really here for. So don't be afraid to let your quote shine through. Whether you're super chill, super energetic, or just super awkward, let that shine through. People love authenticity. Plus, a good laugh never hurts anyone, right? Authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away. And here's the thing, humor helps. Don't take yourself too seriously. Laugh at yourself, and your audience will laugh with you. I remember when I first started creating content, I was so nervous. But then I realized my imperfections are what makes me relatable. So I started embracing them. Your audience wants to connect with you on a personal level. So be vulnerable, be genuine, and have fun. Here are a few tips to bring your personality to the forefront. Be spontaneous. Use humor to break the ice and show your passion. And the last but not the least, step 7. Keep improving. Now, here's the truth. Your first set of video is probably won't be perfect. Mine definitely wasn't, but every time you create, you get a little better. The key is to keep going, keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep having fun. Trust me, you will look back at your early stuff and cringe, but that's part of the process. You will definitely get better. Your videos will look more professional, and eventually, you will be making content that will make people say, wow, you must have a big budget for that, and you will win. So there you have it. Creating professional video content on a budget is totally doable. You don't need fancy gears, just a bit of creativity, some household hacks, and most importantly, a lot of hearts. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips. Drop a comment below with your own budget hacks. I would love to hear them.